Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. And I'm sorry, I haven't posted in a couple of days because guys, I got married. So I took a couple days off, but we're going to be doing some more videos today. We're going to be talking about Tesla's stock split. Now, for those of you that don't know, Tesla is doing a 3-to-1 stock split. Now, pretty much what this means is for every share you guys have of Tesla, you will now have 3 shares. And Tesla's overall idea behind this is to make shares more affordable for beginner investors and for their employees. So I definitely think this is a great thing. You know, looking back historically, Tesla did another 5-to-1 stock split. Now, you guys can see during this time before we had this beautiful upward trend, right? Once they announced it, this got a lot of attention among investors, and then it popped up, right? After the announcement, it went from about $500 all the way down to about $329. Now, why did it happen, right? We had this huge move beforehand, but a stock split does not change anything about the company. It doesn't change the market cap. It doesn't change revenue. It doesn't change EPS. It doesn't change anything other than the share price. And I definitely think this is a great thing for investors, you know, to really start capitalizing on share size. But if you're somebody that doesn't believe in Tesla and you're just investing just strictly off the split, you're not going to want to do that. Invest in Tesla because you believe in Tesla. And I definitely think you'll go way farther with that. But overall, a stock split does not change anything about the company. But personally, I definitely think anytime that this stock is under $700 is an absolute for sale sign to buy, right? Tesla is the leader of the electric auto space. Looking at their the past earnings, beat expectations, doing very, very good on, revenue, on deliveries. And if they would have announced this same earnings, a couple months ago even, this stock would have been easily up to $1,500 a share. But the overall idea why we're getting sell-off is just because of the general market. We've seen so much volatility among virtually every single stock. And look at this, the general S&P 500 has fallen from about 4,800 all the way down to 3,900. Hit lows here at about 3,700. So definitely we've seen just general sell-off in general. So Tesla is trying to do a little bit, change things up, get younger investors, get maybe some more employees to invest to keep this share price up. But overall, we're just in a very, very volatile state. And anytime there's volatility, that just brings opportunity. So for me, am I going to buy it? I'm going to buy it regardless if it does the split, right? If Tesla doesn't do the split, I'm buying it. If they do the split, I'm buying it, right? And I think that's the best approach you can have. And if you're somebody, like I said, that doesn't really care about Tesla, don't invest, right? Don't invest strictly off this split. It doesn't change anything about the company. But overall, right, their past earnings very, very well. And they did have to shut one of their plants down overseas. So we will probably have a little bit of a riskier earnings coming up. So they're probably trying to piggyback off that and keep this share price up, guys. But overall, I definitely think there's so much opportunity right now with Tesla and almost every single stock out there. You just have to be smart with your money. Look at sell-off as opportunity and go from there, guys. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, answering that main question of should you buy Tesla stock because of the split. I hope you guys enjoy it. We will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, guys, stay positive, and stay safe out there. We will see you guys later. And guys, I had an amazing wedding. Maybe I'll post some pictures or some videos of it later this week, guys. But we will see you guys later. Off to Jamaica for me. So we'll probably have some vlogs coming up too. So take care.